Hello, this is Hans the Dutch guy with Much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent Eerste Wereldoorlog, or the First World War, also known as the Great War. This is how we say Eerste Wereldoorlog. Eerste Wereldoorlog. There is a light emphasis on the first syllable of the second word. Eerste Wereldoorlog. Eerste Wereldoorlog. Eerste Wereldoorlog. The Netherlands remained neutral during the Eerste Wereldoorlog. I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. We do have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. And if there are any words you need help pronouncing in Dutch, just let us know in the comments, and we will get that word on Much Dutch as soon as possible. Tot ziens!